Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kadang perkhat ban kinthop ya ki kindon kum ke inner line permit hapo ke Immigration and Foreigners Act arhajar arpusan bathamai. Ya kani laong du simbot menteri rangba uba preston tingsong. Ulaong baya kani ke jing Aiñ Jingmut lapha ban bishar du advocate general bat kiriu start ain. Uba preston ula kinta dru ya kijingkino aba ke Sorkar kala no ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arjar khanriu da ka baong ba ka Mrssa kadang Treikam Henry Ampat Pura Ulaong baki District Task Force bayalam daki Deputy Commissioner kidang Treikam ula pinshairu baka Mrssa baminshwa kamdon kindon banbu iki entry exit point nakatagadaw lapha ya ka amendment bill shika home ministry.
Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025, Foreigners and Immigration Act, passed by the Parliament, to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts. Why abandon MRSSA? Who told you that we abandon that? MRSSA is partly being implemented. We are functioning under MRSSA, where we already have even the district task force headed by each deputy commissioner. So we have already activated as per the rule. It is there, and we are making it more effective in all other districts, and especially in Shillong. Let me tell you one thing: we do have, and it is fully functional in Shillong. Especially, you don't misunderstand. When I said some provision was not there for setting up of entry and exit, that is the whole thing where we could not fully implement the MRS Act because of of the basic provision was not there. That in the main principle act, it was not there. That's what we went to pass it in the assembly in the form of amendment. Ultimately, the amendment bill was referred by the then governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs. I did not say that we did not implement. We do implement, but legally speaking, we cannot set up entry or exit point because there is no provision in the original form of the MRSS.